The first addition I made to the workbench was a set of drawers to store stuff. So I cut some plywood to size. Not gonna lie, I bought this apron so I could be the fastest square in the West. For joints, I'm just going to go with pocket holes on this one. Whoops. It's supposed to be like this. Damn it. So many pocket holes. Once I have the carcass assembled, I can measure and cut my back piece. Then I cut this board to length and rip it for runners. I pre-drill and screw the drawer runners using a couple of pieces of scrap as height measurement for the runners. Now I'm making the drawer pieces by ripping the pieces to width and then cutting them to length. To assemble them, more pocket holes. With these assembled, I could rip the pieces for the drawer face and cross-cut them to size on the table saw. I decided not to go with false fronts on these drawers because I wanted more space. It would have been easier with them though. I'm using a framing square to give me my spacing for the drawer fronts. For the pulls, I used a round over bit and a cove bit to make the profile of the handle. I cross-cut the pulls and then rip them to width. Then I pre-drilled and screwed the handles on. To attach it to the bench, I screwed it to the bottom. I used paste wax on the runners and the bottom to help everything glide better. I'm not an electrician and I don't know what I'm talking about, so don't listen to anything I'm about to say. Next, I added some outlets. I took an extension cord and cut the tip off, and then ran that end through the box and tied a knot in it, so it couldn't pull out. I put black to gold, white to silver, and ground to green. Then I wired the other outlet to the first one. Then I screwed the box to the bench and screwed the faceplate on.
Alexa, am I the greatest?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Me neither. So I'm pretty happy with the attachments that I made to my bench, this drawer and the electrical outlet. I think that they'll come in handy and they can store all kinds of good stuff. I've got a place for my squares in here. I've got a place for my router bits in here, and in here I'll keep my little handheld routers. So that's pretty nice. This drawer could be a little bit bigger though, but I'm happy with it.
Oh, good! Here, take this!
What is it?
It's the Eye of Harmony. Keep it safe. Somebody comes looking for it, run. I gotta get out of here.
I guess I'll just keep this in the drawer then. Well, that was weird, but that'll wrap it up for this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later.